So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we have some new mods for the M235i and we have Underglow. So I was thinking to put this Underglow before on my old car, which is a BMW E90, but unfortunately I have to sell that car and buy this M235i. So now I have a chance to install Underglow again, so I'm gonna put it on the M235i. We're gonna see if it's gonna look good on the car, or what do you think? Do you think it's like a riser? Let me know down in the comments below. Also guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you the winner of the 3 giveaways, so better stay tuned for that. So now let's get started. So here we have the Underglow. Have a thank you card inside. We have some heat shrink with tie wraps, a bunch of cables, cigarette lighter plug. So this is the Bluetooth adapter. So this Underglow can be controlled on your phone's app. So here we have more cables and the LED itself. Okay, we have the speed. You can adjust the speed. Okay, so the app is working. It's time to install. So I'm gonna use an alcohol to wipe down the underside of that driver's side door on the bottom part. I'm gonna degrease it with alcohol. Make sure the double-sided tape will stick on that Underglow. So I stick the Underglow here, all the way there. So it has a double-sided tape, so you just have to clean with alcohol where you're gonna stick it. And now it's I think it's holding pretty well. I cannot put it near the edge here because of this jack pad, because the Underglow is too long and you cannot cut the Underglow. So the length I can use is on the back side of it, which is here, all the way down to the back of that jack pad. And yeah, it's pretty stuck in here. Now let's continue to the rest of the install. So I installed the front Underglow on the front splitter of the car. Then I run the cable all the way there, connected to the side Underglow. So that's the rear install. I tied it up with a metal wire because there's no flat surface to stick the Underglow. So The both ends are tied with the metal wire, and it's not gonna go anywhere. So I connect that cable from the side underglow, passing to the rear suspension. Just make sure the wire is not gonna hit any suspension when it's moving while you're driving. So just pass the wire over there, tie it up with the tie wraps, pass it here, tie wrap to another wire over there, and connect it here to the rear underglow. So for the other end of the underglow on the rear, I pass the wire between the seam here, tie up to the wire over there, going up to the connection where the undercut wires are connected inside the grommet. So the same thing for the side underglow. They're both passing to the top of the exhaust cutout wiring connected inside the trunk of the car. So now it's time to wire the underglow. But anytime you're working with the electrical on the car, it's a good idea to take out the negative of the battery. So I have my 10mm, just loosen it. Put it right up with it. Okay, time to put back the battery. So this is how they connect the wiring for the underglow. So I pass the wire from underneath the fuse box over there because there's a grommet underneath there. So all the wire is passing from underneath the hole, going to the bottom of the fuse box, and I run it underneath. And the wire is all bundled up over there, and so the negative is connected to the ground, screwed onto the metal body of the car, and the positive is connected to the dash cam on the fuse over there. So everything is connected, including the exhaust cutout on the same wire, because they don't take much power, so because it's an LED. So that's how I connect the wiring of the underglow on my BMW. I think there's over 200 types of mode that you can set up this LED. How do you want this to move? It's also gonna beat to the sound of the music if you put it on the setup of the music. Here you have a solid red with the green running on it. So there's so many modes you can set up this light. You can also adjust the speed if you want it to slow down. You can make the light go faster. I think I like this one better. See, you have the red, you have the blue, pink. I think I prepared this one. It's simple. You can also make it slow. You can see the color change, going slow. So this is how it looks like from the side. So this one, I don't know if it's illegal because you got the red and the blue, so it mimics like the police, it looks like a police light. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and the only thing I want to say, if you didn't win the giveaway, try again next time because I have more giveaways to come in the near future. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Now here are the 3 winners of the giveaway.